Hello, Guido here from blockbuilders.net, and today we want to take a look at copy trading at Bitget. Copy trading is really popular among new crypto users because you don't really have to trade yourself, and you can just copy a successful trader. And I will show you today how that works and where you where you should focus on, and what's important to know about it. If you don't have a Bitget account yet, I put a link down in the description. If you use that link to sign up, you can take part in special promotions that they do every once in a while. So let's have a look here at copy trading. Obviously, we won't talk about depositing money and withdrawing it and all that stuff, because I made several videos about that, and here we just want to focus on copy trading. And so if you want to start copy trading, you can actually click here and where it says copy. And then you can see there are several ways to do copy trading. You can do futures copy trading, spot copy trading, and bot copy trading. And futures is basically traders who trade with leverage. For example, for Bitcoin, you can use up to 125x leverage. And you can also short cryptocurrencies. However, it's also the highest risk here because you can get liquidated. So let's assume you're using a leverage of 1 to 10x. So a 10x leverage, and the price moves 10% against you, you will basically get liquidated. So it's really high risk when you use higher leverage. So I would be always careful with that, and I would focus on spot copy trading. And because with spot, you can only buy and sell the cryptocurrencies, you can't use leverage. And some people on here on the platform are doing it pretty well, as you will see. However, let's start with having a look at futures copy trading. And there's one more thing, there's bot copy trading, and where you can copy bots, and it's basically pretty similar to the two things I show you here, and you can also have a look here and do it as well. However, let's start with future copy trading, and there you can see here you can see the high return on invest traders, and you have to be really careful here, and because they show you that he made like over 7,000%. However, if you look at it, it's basically just one or two trades he did here that were successful, and the rest didn't really work out. And so there's no, here, even if you look at it, he only went down and just made one successful trade. So there's no guarantee that he will hit another one. It's more likely that he goes bust at one point, because he basically just had two very successful trades here. So always check the charts, and I wouldn't recommend these high return on invest traders, because it's also the highest risk. I would focus on something like this, for example. Here you can see that the price goes, or the return on invest goes steadily up, and profit goes up, except here for the last 2 weeks. However, if you look at a longer time frame, you can see he was also not very successful. He's a bit up now. However, he was also down. So it's basically just guessing what he's doing here. And you should basically spend most of the time looking through these traders and their charts. What you want is basically something like this. It looks good on 30-day time frame. And have a look at 90. Yeah, he had some struggle here. And yeah, it's hard to say. He also had a huge drawdown here. I would be careful with that. And that's basically the main work you should be doing here. However, as I said, it's easier to find good spot copy traders. Also skips the high return on invest traders, because they usually just have one successful trade, and then that's it. There are sometimes they are full and you can join them. The only way to join them if you get a BGB spot. It's basically you need to own the own token from Bitget. Usually you need to own around 500 Bitget tokens. So Bitget right now is at $5. So it's quite a lot of money you need in order to do that. So you can either invest it and get a seat here at that bot, or you have to look for someone else. So let's just check for all traders. And then you can basically look for someone like him. If we go to 6 months, and you can see he goes steadily up. And that's basically the chart you want to see. Here's a good return on invest, and he goes steadily up. No huge drawdowns, and because it's also spot. So that's basically a good trader to copy. However, he's in private mode now, so you can't copy him, and you have to look for someone else. So he doesn't accept new traders. So just for the sake of the argument, let's copy him. And there you can basically say how much you want to invest. I want to copy a spot trader here, so I need some money in my spot account, and there are like $146 in there right now. So I can say, okay, I want to copy him with $100, and then it's auto copy on. So that basically means that every trade he will do from now on will be copied automatically. So I don't need to do anything. And that's basically it. I have to click on next and then subscribe to it, and that's basically it. And then all the trades will be copied. However, I wouldn't recommend copying just one person. I would rather copy 10 different traders instead of one. So it's always better to have several traders to copy than just one, because it's better for your risk portfolio or for your risk profile. And therefore you should really spend most of the time looking for these traders, and always look for the long time frame. So for example, he's actually pretty good. You could copy him. Yeah, and that's basically it. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to use the comments down below. If you find that video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.